Welcome back, viewers. We really appreciate you being here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything exciting. Guys, before you go, just one word of caution. Anything you want to do that you see in my videos or hear in my videos, do at your own risk. Now, you could make things worse, or you could end up burnt, bruised, or bleeding. After doing thousands, possibly tens of thousands of cars and passing over 50 certification tests, I still screw things up and I still get burnt, bruised, or bleeding. Heck, you could even wake up in the hospital one day or not wake up at all. So be careful, and remember, the most careful and painless way to fix your car is to pay somebody else to do it.